Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So right now I'm going to start the trading session. Okay, so first I need to analyze the market. Okay, so now you can see from this zone I'm seeing here, this is the level, this is the seller's entry point. Okay, so now we will wait for the next candlestick, but I need to go and check the left side here. Okay, so market is telling me that at this area I am not seeing any kind of level which will impact this breakout, so this breakout will go up again, so I need to wait here. Okay, a very strong breakout here, so I can easily go here with the buyers. I have taken the trade here in an up direction, and now you will see a winning trade. So the reason behind is this, that you can easily see that market was reversing from this zone, and now this time market is reversing in the middle of the trend, and now you can see a strong buyer's entry, and this is a very small rejection, so I cannot use this level right now. Why I cannot use this level right now? So let me show you the reasons. So if you analyze the market, okay, you have drawn the line here, so what you are seeing here, you are seeing here this market movement. It means that it will not respect the levels you can see, so therefore you can easily go here with the buyers and you will win. So now you can see here, you can easily win your trade like this. So let's analyze another market here. Okay, so now you can see at this area why market is going up very much in an up direction. You can see a strong buyer's entry, so you cannot see any kind of resistance here. The next levels are here, so therefore you can see on the right side it is going up. So now let's see what's going on in the market here. Okay, again a buyer's entry. So what does it mean? It means that buyers are becoming much stronger here. So after this candlestick you can easily go here with the buyers. So why I took my trade here, you can see this was just a retracement candle. Again you can see a weak and much stronger candle here. This was a weak, but this is much stronger candle, so therefore you can easily go up in an up direction. And now let me show you here. Okay, on the left side you can easily see that if you want to get the level for the reversal, you can easily see that this is the next area. Okay, this is the next reversal zone. So because of this you can see I am waiting for this candle to be closed as a bullish candle. So now you can see because of this level market is going up because of this gap. So I took my trade here in an up direction and we won this trade. So now okay, in Euro GBP I need to analyze the market easily. Okay, so right now if you analyze the market here, I can again go here with the buyers. I have taken a trade here in an up direction. Why? Because you can see here this is the seller's entry point. I took my trade with the margin of safety here, and you can see market is moving like this. So because of the safety zone I took the trade exactly near to the previous resistance line, which is acting here as a support. So because of these things we will definitely win this trade, and this candle is a sign of continuation here. Now you can see this candle is a sign of continuation here, because here also there is a gap, And now you can see here we took here a trade and we won this trade, and also it was a good margin of safety area. So let's analyze another market. Okay, I think the internet connection is not good today, so no issues. I will wait. Why I'm worrying about? Because it can give me a late entry points, so no issues now. Okay, so right now you can see here I can easily go here with the sellers. Okay, I don't know what's going on with the internet, and I took this trade because I thought that this was a hammer candle. It was a continuation sign here, so no issues. Okay, now you can see here again market is going down. Why? Because you can see I'm not seeing any kind of level here. You can see here, if you want to go with the sellers or buyers, you need to check the support and resistance areas. Okay, you need to check them all. So now you can see market is still going down, but unfortunately because of a weak internet connection I'm not getting the good opportunities. Okay, so my prediction was for this candlestick as a bearish, so I took trade in a down direction. Okay, market also gave me a winning trade here. Okay, so now you saw that I took that trade also and I won that trade. So let's analyze the market again. I need to change the pair. Okay, market internet connection, you can see it is very weak. So right now if you see this market, what I am seeing here, I'm not seeing any kind of level here. Okay, so now you can see here. Okay, so now you can see this is the level and I can easily go here with the sellers. I have taken a trade here in a down direction, and now you will see here also a winning trade because this was a level, and I can easily go here with the sellers. Market will close below this line and my entry point is very good, so because of that we will win this trade also. Okay, market needs to come down again. Okay, so you can see I won this trade also because of my entry point and because of identification of the level. Okay, so let's analyze another market. I think I need to close the trading session here because you can see the internet connection is not well at all. So here you can see I can easily, okay, I'm late, I can also consider here a bullish candle. It is a round number and I'm seeing here a rejection. I'm seeing here a new high, and on the left side there were levels, so because of that we can consider it. But now you can see here because of these situations, okay, now you can see market closed here as a bullish candlestick. So it's not good for me to take trades right now because you can see here I am not getting the perfect opportunities because of internet issue. So therefore I am going to summarize the trades. Here you can see, so here you can see I took my trade here because of this strong breakout candlestick, and now if you analyze the market, these was the seller's entries, but right now you can see here what movement of the market you are getting the higher highs. It means that market will not respect the previous levels, so therefore I cannot consider this level as a level. Therefore market went up and it closed as a bullish. So now let me show you here, as I have drawn the level here, this was the level, and now you can see there was a big gap according to this level, so therefore I took my trade in an up direction and I won this one. And after that you can see I took one trade here. Why? Because you can see the level was here, sellers are waiting here and sellers were here, so there was a gap again. Because of the gap, and this candle is an uptrend, is a sign of continuation, so therefore I took my trade with the margin of safety and I also won this trade. So let me show you here. You can see here I took my trade here and I knew that market will get a rejection from this point, and I have drawn this line. You can see I won my trade because of the entry point and because of my safe zone trading. So because of this you can see I got here an ITM. So here I also predict this candlestick to be closed as a bullish, and it closed here as a bullish because I knew that there was a level, and you can see a new high, you can see a rejection here. So you need to consider all these things, and now you can see in the momentum what you are seeing here. You are seeing here an exhausted candlestick, so you need to check all these things. Okay, so it is an exhausted candle, so therefore you can see we are getting here a buyer's entry. So my aim was to take almost 8 to 10 trades, but now you can see here because of some kind of internet issue I am not able to take my trades properly, because market is giving me a weak internet connection, and therefore my entry points are late. And I also took one trade, and I also took one trade with GBP JPY, I think, so I need to show you there, GBP JPY. Okay, so I took one trade here also in a down direction, and you saw that I also got a winning trade there. You can see I took my trade here with this candlestick. At that time this candle was like this, and I confirmed everything that this candle will go down, and I took my trade here at this area. This was my entry point, and now you can see again market went up and still it is going down. So it means that our predictions are right and we are analyzing the market properly. So if you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram, and you can join our Telegram group Trading Skills, and you can join and subscribe our channel, and try to subscribe, comment and share. So because of this you can see I won each and every trade. And so kindly subscribe, share and comment, and try to help each other. So stay blessed you all. Bye for now. Have a blessed day ahead. Bye.